Okay, Tony, the pan is complete in all three settings, and I'm up to... I'm up to 80. Now, you want a 500 from here also, Tony?
Right, sure do. You probably have 20 or 25 pictures left in the 500, so maybe that'll give you the entire inside of the crater there. We'll just shoot up the rest of the roll in there.
Okay. Okay.
And if you're through with your far field, you can just throw that polarizer away.
I will in a minute. Okay, you wanted an EMU check. Flags are clear. I'm at 3.8 and about intermediate cooling.
Okay, and O2?
I think about 75%, but it's so dusty I can't read it right now, Tony.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't see mine either, Houston. Can y'all see it down there?
Right, we've got about 67%.
I'm in intermediate cooling. Okay. When you get dust on the RCU, you cannot read the O2 quantity.
Okay, you're all doing fine down here.
Okay, Tony. Okay, Tony, I'm doing some vertical stereos of these rays coming out of the crater. Out of film.
Okay, how much of the inside did you get?
I got one partial pan of about 3/4 of the way up of the entire wall, and then almost two vertical rays.
Okay, we understand.
So I ran out. Guess what, John?
What's that, Charlie?
My bags fell off somewhere.
Well, I got mine hooked over my little finger. Fall off from there.
Look at this rock right here, John. Pure white.
Didn't it?
Yeah, right. It's really shocked. Whatever it is, it looks like chalk, Tony. It's so shocked. It's about the pebble size, and it's broken open. Let's make it 5 centimeters long, broken open. John, could you bring me Let me get this one documented. Okay, the polarizing filter is coming off. I hope.
Okay, Charlie, and we'll just call that the end of the 500 millimeter.
Okay. Sorry, I ran out of film there. I thought I'd have plenty.
That's all right.
Okay, Tony, I'm going back towards moon cooling. I'm getting a little frosty.
Okay.
Okay, Houston, the black plast in this rock are really black material. It's either a very fine-grained black breccia. I'll tell you what it looks like. It looks like that
black breccia, fine-grained lining that had that white clasp in it on Apollo 15. Although here the matrix is white and the clasps are black.
Okay, understand. How large are the
Remember that
clasps?
one, Houston?
Right, I remember. Is this black breccia frothy too?
3 centimeters. No, it's not frothy at all. It's dense.
Okay.
It could be a very dense salt-like rock. It is. Its cleavage, I mean, it looks like it has a 90-degree cleavage on it, and hard put to tell that. That's just the way it breaks. But it's sure shocked. It's too big to go in the bag, but I'm going to put it in there anyway.
Okay.
At least it has a shocked appearance. But you go to the shovel, Charlie.
I got it. I'm sorry. I thought you weren't using it. I was going to get this one over here.
Okay.
Yeah, I finally got the polarizing filter off, Tony.
Okay.
Okay, looking back from where we are, Tony, towards the south rather, I can see South Ray.
I'd like to make sure that we're not overlooking something here, Charlie.
Well, that's why I'd like to go on down to that black rock down there, John.
You really got your eye on, I can tell.
Big one.
Yeah. Okay, here's a small secondary up here on top of the rim. It's about a meter across, about a meter deep, and it has either very angular black glass or part of this black rock in total, and they must be 4 or 5 centimeters across in there, and I'll get 1 or 2 of those babies.
Hey, John, can I get a bag from you?
Sure. Took my Noman. You'll have to get the shadow for scaling, Houston.
Here you go.
Okay.
Okay, Tony, I picked up that white,
I get it for you.
thank you. That white shocked rock, it's broke in two, and there are two pieces of it. Partially documented befores anyway in 384.
Okay, bag 384.
And I'm going back and get some bags.
I got Charlie's shovel for scale for the before shoot. You can almost get local vertical on the shovel because you have to balance it in order to stand up.
Okay. Okay, Charlie, did you bring the 500 millimeter back with you?
See me coming?
No, we're
What's in
pointing
the
over
bag?
John.
Oh, okay. Hey, y'all must be really zoomed in then.
Aye, we
Just
sure
a
are.
few feet to the left of him. Y'all didn't see any bags fall off anywhere, did you?
No, we didn't see him.
Your big eye?
Big. That,
There we've got you, Charlie.
So that rock is dust covered. It appears to be really black glass. It's going into 380, 85.
Okay, 385.
Oh, I can't believe it. spectacular view looking back to the east and to the south, Tony. See Baby Ray way on past Kennesaw, where there's a bright, fresh crater down there on its flank. Okay, I need to get some more bags, but I don't have a holder.
What really attracts me to this rock, even though it's dust covered, Houston, is the fact that it has right angles to it. It did before I picked it up.
All right, remember those blocks up at Nevada Test Site, up on the rim? They broke at right angles too.
Okay, this next one is going in, it is so dust covered after I picked it up and dropped it in the dirt, I can't describe it to you other than to say it's dust covered. It's going into bag 386.
Okay, 386.
Okay, Tony, the 500 is complete. What do you want me to do now?
Just go back and sample. We'd like big boulder samples and look for that. Well, I guess we're just boulder sampling now.
Okay. I'd like to go up to the southwest around the rim, the other direction from John, and try my hand at these large white rocks.
Gurley, you want to drive the... I don't think we can drive the Rover over to here.
No, I agree. That's not very much. I was just going to go up here a little bit, John, and do some flight line stereo of this 3-meter block up here. Tony, some of these places are rocks are glass covered. They're all fractured.
Okay.
Very beat up looking.
That's fine, Charlie, if you want to go down that way.
Okay, I'm going...
If you're going to boulder sample, Charlie, I better come and help you.
No, I'm just going to whack up. I'm not going to really do the true thing. I'll be down there to help you in a minute.
Now, you want to go down to this big boulder down here?
I'd like to in a minute. I wanted to make sure we get whatever this is up here on these white rocks. I think you probably have it, but...
John, how far away is that big boulder?
It is about, near as I can tell, 150 meters, but the rocks around it are really something else. That's the problem, is trafficability up to it.
If you think you can work up there, that sounds like an awful good place to work. Charlie, you just dropped your bags.
I know, it's empty. Didn't have a thing on it. Yeah, there's an old glassy rock, Tony, that a glass coated anyway that went into 415.
Okay, 415.
And it was Hackley looking on the surface. That's why I stopped to get it.
Okay.
Apparently, we could probably get a pretty good cross-section up here with just a rake sample.
Yeah, I agree. Like here's a little crater right there that had uncovered some. Okay, Tony, I'm going to give you a little stereo of this boulder.
Okay, if you see any class or anything in it, a close-up might look good.
That's what I'm going to do.
Okay.
Boy, it is hot out here today, I'll tell you.
You gonna give me a hand with this rig sample, Charlie, or you want me?
Yeah, if you can stand by just a minute, John.
Charlie, describe this boulder right here to you. Describe this one with the black streak running through it.
No.
Boy, that is absolutely beautiful. It has a black fracture pattern running right through the middle of it. It's about 6. It looks like a Sudbury breccia, and that's the truth. I can't believe it.
Good, huh? Maybe we can get some of that. And Charlie, while you're up at that boulder, if you could get some of that fillet as well as the boulder.
Okay, I don't have anything to fill it with, but we'll see.
Okay.
Be advised that just drop the bags.
Roger, we saw.
Charlie, I think with these equipment problems, we better work together, and I'll handle one bag and you handle the other bag, and be able to be more productive, don't you?
Yeah, I guess you're right, John. There's one of these big white rocks up here, John, that's got a fracture on it. If you'll just let me...
Got a hammer?
Yeah, I got the hammer. Well, it's just loose. The stuff is lying up here on the top. Hey, Tony, we'll fill it for you, sample for you up here.
Got a shovel?
Yeah, no, I don't have a shovel, but I got a hammer.
Well, I'm going to go. I'll come up there and help you. We can do the rake sampling. I'm making it.
Charlie, if possible, we'd like to sample some of that stuff on top of the boulder. I think that's what you're going to do there.
What I'm going to do. It's what I'm going to do.
Good show. You're about 10 steps ahead of us.
I'm not going to give you any scale, though. It's just with our problems here, like John said, it's...
That's okay. If you bring it back, that'll be enough scale.
Okay. And it looks like it's the same thing that John has described. It's a friable breccia, with the black clast being the amphinetic. Largest clast I see is, not in this sample, but is a black one. It's a centimeter across. It has a bluish tint to it, Tony. It looks like all those shocked rocks that Fred Hirsch was telling us about. Exactly. And that's in bag 416.
Okay, 416. And from today's experience and yesterday's, it sounded like old Fred's briefings were pretty useful.
It's turned out pretty good, I think.
Charlie, put that in my bag.
Okay. You don't have a bag. It fell off. See, both of them. We'll just use this one, okay?
I could have put...
They want to fill it up here, John. Could we get a fillet up there where that gnomon is? I get the cross sign. Thought I used my little finger as a bag holder. Good. Okay, that fillet is 417, Tony.
Okay, 417.
Let me put it... Okay.
Huh?
Okay, I'll get the down, son, here.
Okay. locator, and I'll try to get a locator from up here. Then you can almost...
Yeah, did you get the boulder off the top?
Yes, I did. I got that sample.
Okay, it's a multi-rock breccia. Boy.
The matrix is the white though, Tony, with the black being the class.
Yeah, I see at least two different colors of light, dark class. They must be at least a 3-rocker.
Good show. You feel like you got all three?
Rake sample, Charles.
Okay, good idea, John.
I can't imagine how they wouldn't be in the class that Charlie picked up. Look at these rocks here that I just stepped on.
Hey, John, I'm chipping out this big black class here. It's coming right out. I don't think we got any in that sample I got. And the thing is so friable. Hey, I got it.
Very good. While you're looking around up there, you might keep an eye out for a permanent shadow area, and we'll go ahead and put it in a regular sample bag. Forget the SCSC.
Okay, Tony, this black class I chipped out is an amphinitic matrix with some, it looks like a basalt, typical basalt to me, and I'll show you. I can get a picture of it after I've chipped it out. I didn't think I was going to be able to, but it came out. Got a 5-footer. It's going in 418.
Okay, 418. Sounds like a good one.
And that's a rock, and I haven't seen a rock like that before in the Apollo samples.
Good show. Another first for 16.
Okay, Houston, I have a rock here that is a fine white crystalline rock. It's pretty well dust covered, but I don't see any, I do not see any class in it.
Okay.
Of course, it could be just a hunk of matrix that got busted loose. But as fine as these class are in it, that's going into bag 387. As fine as these rocks are, I don't see how you could miss one.
Sorry, we're working behind that big rock there, Tony, from the tube. Now, why don't we...
Yeah, that's okay. Just follow your
instructions.
I think one.
Well, it's just anywhere we rake, we got to rake a good sort of sample.
Yeah. Charlie, let's get a... Come in.
Do what, John?
Let's get a soil sample right here.
Okay. Stick this.
I get it with this.
Okay, you want to document it?
Yeah, we can, but I don't really see much.
Boy, this equipment problem is really handicapping us. Okay, there's wow. Boy, the regolith here, Tony, up on this crater rim is really soft. We're sinking in on these slopes about 6 inches or so. Okay. Oh, missed it. That's a good one. Okay, the soil sample here out on is 419.
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
And brake some here.
Let's get in a clear spot, John, to rake, okay?
No, we can do it down here too.
Okay. It looks almost fruitless up here. Oh, no, there's some rocks.
A lot of rocks there, Charlie. One rake sample.
Okay, one rake sample right out here, Tony.
Sounds good.
This on a tube.
That's fine.
Going into 4.8 is going in 420.
Okay.
This whole deal.
Oh, he's got some nice ones there.
See what I'm doing.
It.
It got them in there?
Yep.
Amazing.
And so dust covered, I can't really see what they are. I can't believe all those bags dropped off. Let me put that one in. Okay, where you want to go?
Going back to, oh,
I got it, John.
let me do it. Get rid of that.
Save some energy, it is hot out here. Hey, here, give me my bag. I'll carry the bag. Got it. Okay, Tony, why don't we go down halfway, John, and do another rake sample, and then go on down to the big black rock.
All right. That.
And that's that'll be about a 150 meter radial, not radial, but concentric sampling. I'm on intermediate cooling now, Tony.
Okay, we copy that.
I'm halfway between.
While you two are working together, you may be able to put the bag shoe into the core cap holder on the side of Charlie's Pliss. You won't be able to run that way, but at least it'd be someplace to hang it while you're working.
Here, John, I'll take this down. We'll get down in this little hollow. And now we'll use it. That's for the no more. How's that for the rake? Okay?
Yeah, let me see if I can stick my bag into your holder like. Won't be able to ride with it that way, huh?
It'll probably pop out, but you can look at it.
Well, I'll just keep it on my...
Keep it over your... Push it way up on your finger.
Yeah, if I push it up on my middle finger, it ain't fall off, and I don't even know it's there.
Okay.
Then we'll get a down sign.
Okay, cross sun here.
You got it? John, have I still got my SCB on my back?
Yep.
Okay. Come around this way. Okay, John is getting about 2 rakes. He's done 2 rakes. And he's got about 15 pebbles.
Just not any there.
That's a pretty good little sample. There you go. Look at that. That's a bag full now. Third one was really fruitful. Okay, turn it. There you go.
Hey, one of them had, I could see vesicles in one of them.
Yeah, I could too. Okay, that's in 421, Tony.
Okay, 421. And we'd like a soil here.
Okay. And getting a soil. bag, my shopping bag idea would have worked, John. Those things are sitting right up. You just plop them down.
Sure, it would have worked, Charlie. That's a good idea, too.
Okay, 422 for the soil sample, Tony.
Okay.
That's enough, John. That's 100 grams.
Okay. That's okay. 100 kilograms. Kilometers.
Okay, get on after that, please, while I pick this bag up.
Some large number.
How's our time going, Tony?
You're doing really fine. We've got an extension here, and you got about 25 minutes.
Okay, Charlie, let's go back to the rover. Put your bag on there and head out for the big rock, because you got a bag on your back and we'll use it.
Okay.
We think that sounds like a great plan.
Isn't neat? Look at the size of that biggie.
It is a biggie, isn't it?
It may be further away than we think, because...
No, it's not very far. It was just right beyond you.
Theoretically, huh?
Yeah.
Like everything else around here a couple of weeks later.
Okay, let's see, I got the shovel, the rake's the best choice, and I got some bags.
Hey, you got enough bags, I'll leave mine here.
Well, I got about 10 or so.
Okay, that's how many I got.
Okay, bring yours too.
The rake and a shovel, right?
No, not the shovel.
Not the rake?
Yeah, the rake's the best way.
That's what I got.
Okay. We'll stop about halfway down here and do another rake. How's that?
Like that idea, Charlie.
The old footprints on a crater rim. That's about halfway, maybe. Okay, let me just stop this down here somewhere.
Well, I think we can get it permanently shadowed under that big rock. Look at that fillet on this side, Charlie.
Okay, well, we need to shovel for that.
With this here.
Okay, yeah, we can reach in there. But I see what you mean. Okay. Wait a minute, wait. Oh, why I'm taking that down, son. I have the chart in there. Okay, he's getting a couple whitish frags and then dust-covered gray-looking frags. I think you got a bag full there, John.
Yep, 3 scoops in a bag full.
It's all salted with that one white rock here. Super. Now, okay.
We agree, super.
Yeah, that's in 423, Tony.
Okay, 423.
Okay. Hang on to this. That's going in Charlie's SB.
Okay.
Sign after that, John, and I'll get the soil sample.
There's the after.
Okay. Man, it's hard under there, you know it?
Yeah, that's why the rake wouldn't go down.
What?
Oh, it's not going anywhere. Hit it again.
Tony, there must be a big rock right under here.
Yeah, just
I can't get the rake in, but that's just a...
Oh, look at that, Charlie.
I know, it's all white under there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, Tony, down about a centimeter or less, it's all white.
Okay, you feel like that's a rock surface?
I think it might be a rock surface, and it's one of those friable ones, the fractured ones, and we're just chipping off. Here, John, I can get a soil sample from where you kicked it up with your foot. No. Boy. Okay, get it. Okay, you want another one?
Hey, Houston, that soil sample's going back. Yeah.
388, Tony.
Okay, 388. And we better press on for the big boulder.
Can't believe it's dirty. Okay, we're headed that way. You get the tongs, John?
Yep, we got
I'll
it.
carry the rake. Okay, Tony, my guess is that most of these rocks around here are extremely shocked.
Might tell me.
Go ahead.
Yeah, it looks like the battery's still the
All these in this area look the same.
Okay, and that's a 739.
This thing's not.
Yeah, in the sunlight, Houston, this white rock has sort of a greenish hue to it. This white rock red tip. Which is what all this is we're walking on right now, is this white rock breccia that Charlie chipped out of.
Maybe a little bit higher.
Charlie chipped out of.
That just use a little more wire, right?
Yeah, it uses a little more water.
And I guess this
But
is
you haven't
probably
seen
the
it yet.
second layer up. I would reckon that this, if we could see to the bottom, we could say for sure if this big
Okay.
black rock is right out of the bottom. But my guess from the old photographs is probably is.
Okay, that sounds like a good guess.
Look, see this rock right here, Charlie?
Look at the size of that rock.
We can see.
The closer I get to it, the bigger it is.
Yeah, but look at the permanent shattered part, Charlie.
On this side over here?
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
right here on this one. See that shadow? That must be permanent.
No, I bet you it's not. The sun's going down over there, John.
Yeah, you're right.
See? You come back here in 2 weeks and it'd be dark. Well, maybe a week and you'd have sun over there. Okay, Tony, this is a very blocky area here.
And look at those. Look at the shape of that rascal.
Yeah. We don't see any glass, though, particularly.
No, I guess I'd have to call this a black matrix. It's like the matrix has reversed itself now. It's all black matrix.
Well, Tony, that's your house rock right there.
Very good.
Don't get too near the edge of that thing. It falls off. Look over at your right. It falls off pretty good.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to just take a little stereo here.
Okay, now we had to come down a pretty good slope to get to this rock, so we may have to leave early to get back.
Yeah, right. We've got about 17 minutes before you'll have to drive off, so we'll have to hustle with this.
Okay, John, here's a, looky here. Can we whack with see, look at that. See, it's glass coated, and this is just fractured off. We can pull that off. Big chunks of that will come right off. And it's got a bluish tint to it, doesn't it? It doesn't look like really the real basalt.
Look at that shatter cone right there, Charlie. I'll be darned.
It is, yeah.
Sure.
Right there.
Outstanding.
Yeah. Put your tongs up there. I get a
Take a good picture of that one from Mulberger.
Well, that settles that, huh?
Hey, move it down a little bit.
That settles that, doesn't it, Houston?
Okay, got it.
Flight surgeon, both crew when they're working.
Okay, here's a chunk of it. The black rock, Looks, some of it's glass coated, Tony. And man, that is a shatter cone.
Charlie, let's get a piece.
Okay, here you go. I got a piece.
Okay.
Give me a bag. Okay, good. On the next one, how about stepping back? And as I point to it, I'll pull off another piece, and we'll put a couple of pieces in here.
Okay.
Okay, that's in bag, going in bag 389.
Wait a minute, let me hold it up.
Okay, let's just
Okay,
take a picture of that, and so they'll know where it came from.
Okay, we copied
It's pretty
389.
badly shattered, Tony, so I don't know whether it's going to stay together. And I don't know whether it's going to stay together or not.
Get it, Charlie. I'll get the pictures. It really is. That's right near the shatter cone.
Yeah.
I might suspect as much. Now, don't worry about that.
Okay, that's 4 little
Move
samples.
back and I'll get it after.
Okay. Okay, 5 samples in 389, Tony.
Okay, 389.
That's black. There's a vein. Look at that veinlet running through,
Yeah.
right there, John, of a breccia. And it's a big rock. Wow. Whew. Okay, John, here's this white stuff. Here's a rock, John, that is not a breccia.
Yeah.
And it's
The clast
and
and the black rock.
It's a clast in the black rock. Look here. How about that?
Let me put that in your bag.
Okay.
Put it back where you got it for a second, and let me get a picture of it. Now they can fit it in. No, just move away. They can fit it in. Okay. Is that how it was, more or less?
Yeah, more or less.
Okay. Now get it.
Get an after.
Yeah, that has the clast of that rock in it too.
Yeah, that's I wish we could partially stick that in a bag.
Certainly stick it in your bag.
Oh, okay. I mean, one of these, so because it might break up. Okay, that's 424.
Mine ain't gonna break up.
It ain't going. Okay. Okay, Tony, that's in unbagged, and it's grapefruit size. And it was the white matrix. It's not as nearly shocked, and it's a large clast, about a 3-meter clast out of this big black rock. Part of it.
3 meter.
No, this clast is about 3 meters.
Centimeters, Charlie.
Huh? Well, it goes from here all the way up to there.
Oh, that's the one you're talking about.
Yeah.
Did you get a stereo of that? Did you get a flight line of that?
Yeah, uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay. Well, I got a pan of it. Okay, John, I'm going to whack off another. Could you get a picture of this? Where the hammer is? Let me get some of the unshocked white stuff.
Wait a second. No.
Okay. Got it?
Yeah. Hard, isn't it?
Yeah, it's hard, but I'm going to get a piece of it.
I got it, Charlie.
Okay, here's a good piece right up here.
Bagel.
Okay, I got it. Okay, Tony, of the white class with it's not nearly as shocked is going in 425.
Wait a minute. Here's.
Okay, bag 425.
Okay, here's another piece right there, John.
Okay.
And here's another big piece right over here.
Did you all see a permanently shadowed sample around there?
No, we don't.
No, sure don't.
Okay, our best guess is it should be on the south
a big
side if there's
hole.
any.
Well, we were over on the south side and we didn't see any.
Okay, fine.
The hole, unfortunately, is a sort of a. That's sort of an east-west split there, Charlie.
I know it. It is an east-west split. Tony, we got an east-west split here that we can get the rake in.
Why don't you go ahead and take some soil out of that?
Here, John. Okay, put that in mind. How's our time going?
You're going to have to leave after this sample.
Okay, I was going to say it's probably a long hike back up that hill.
In there or not, Charlie?
Huh? Yeah, I can get in here. Right up next to this rock right here would be a good place. I got it.
Get the bag square. Okay.
Wait a minute, I'll give you a little bit more.
It's not a classic east-west split, Houston, but it's one.
Okay, fine.
Bag 390.
Okay, bag 390, and we need a reference soil.
Hold these tongs for a second.
Okay.
Don't go down there 5 meters. I don't want
I'm not. Here you go.
Okay.
Here you go. Okay. I guess you ought to stick the tongs in well to document this.
Okay.
I'll just get a part. We'll do a partial and I'll do a cross sign of it.
Gonna do a reference sample. Let's get that glass right there.
Okay.
The tongs is not gonna go in this ground, Charlie.
I know it's a big rock then. Why don't you just hold it there and I'll take the picture. Okay?
Okay.
Click. Click. Okay. You can kick up some, John.
Got it? You got it?
Okay, Tony, the soil here is very hard, and the rake really won't go into it, bending the tines like we used to do in training.
Right, understand. If you can see anything around there that's kind of loose and not in an east-west split, kind of scoop some of that up. If you can't, we'll just have to leave it.
There's nothing loose.
Okay, that's about 25 grams.
Okay, that's fine. That's all I need.
Okay, got it?
That's all Tony needs. Do PI on this one, Tony?
No, I said that's all they need.
Okay.
There's a real frothy rock right there, John. I want to throw that in. Oh, if I can. Go.
Oh, man, I see the frost. Here, can you hold this, Charlie?
What? The tongs?
Yeah. For a second.
Yeah.
Gotta do that bag better.
Man, that rock had just cracked off just in the right. Okay, Tony, this large block is a very, the house-size one. It's about 20 meters long by maybe 10 meters high, and it's a large breccia. We had a grab sample going in 393, white matrix with glass on it, and it's a...
Don't back up anymore,
I'm
Charlie.
sorry. Lost my balance. It's got some fractures in it that run normal.
Going back.
Okay.
Okay, and we'll have to start on back.
Yeah, here you go. Here you go, John. Here's your tongs. Would you pick up my bag and let me move down and get a little bit of stereo, and I'll be right with you.
Okay, let's go on back.
I am. Be right with you.
Did you see anything that you were pretty confident was igneous? I'm thinking about the padded bags.
Yeah, this rock we... Oh.
An igneous rock.
Yeah, if we'd have brought the padded bags, this right here is an igneous rock.
The whole place looks igneous, Houston.
Were there any near the rover?
These large clasts in it are igneous.
Right, for the padded bags, we would want it lying on the surface,
Is that
though.
what you're talking about, volcan?
I'll take the bags. Can't get them out of the tongs.
Well, you're going to have to hold that until I get the tongs unloosed.
Wait a minute.
Hold the bag.
I'm trying to.
Can't believe
Got it. I can't either. Let's go. Y'all see us all the way down here, Tony?
We're just seeing you now. When you're around the corner there, we didn't see you very much.
Take it easy, Charlie.
Sorry we had to get down in here, but that was a unique sample, we thought, and
Okay, this big black rock, this big black and white rock right here that we're just traversing by is also the same kind of rock. And look at the size of it.
they're all the same. There are two rock types here, Tony, that white matrix one, and then the black, the one with the black. And
there are places where the black and the white are about 50-50 down here, too.
Mm-hmm.
That's very few of those.
And it has the same character of the rocks up close that I would think that South Ray rocks had when you look on the rim of that crater.
Okay, understand.